Hi everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. If you've been to my channel recently, you probably saw the last two videos that I did where I tested alcohol inks from the brand Resin. There were two types, the highly concentrated alcohol ink and also the opaque alcohol ink where the white is already added. I tested these inks on Petri style art. This is where you drop alcohol ink and white ink into clear resin. The desired result is to see the alcohol inks drop down to the bottom, creating these really beautiful patterns. So with the alcohol ink, there was not a whole lot of dropping, and with the opaque alcohol ink, there was a little bit but not too much. So today I wanted to do another test. I'm going to use both alcohol inks again, but this time I'm also going to use Pinata white. This is the white that most people use when dropping alcohol ink in Petri style artwork. Today we're going to make 3 Petris. On this first one, I'm going to use regular alcohol ink from Trex inks. I've used these before and they turned out really beautiful. This one in the middle, we're going to use the opaque alcohol ink. In addition to the ink itself, we're also going to drop in the Pinata white. And then on the last dish, we're going to do the highly concentrated alcohol ink, also from Resin. And of course, we're also going to use the Pinata white to see if we can drop the colors down. Alright, let's get started. Let's go ahead and start by mixing some resin. We're going to use about 100 ml per Petri. This will make it nice and thick so that there's room for the resin to move. Let's quickly blow out the bubbles. And now we can drop the ink. So I picked 5 colors. We're going to do red, green, blue, purple, and yellow. And I'm just going to randomly drop them into the resin. Then we're going to add the white on top each time. I'm going to work pretty fast so that it's consistent throughout all 3 Petris. So it's been about 5 minutes and here are the Petri. So this one is the one with the Trex ink. This one is the opaque. And this one is the high concentrate. These inks are very, very bold and really beautiful. I can't wait to see how they turn out. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and we are ready to demold. So this first one here is the one with the Trex ink. Here it is on the back. It's looking super beautiful. Look at those colors. And here it is on the front. Alright, so we got a lot of dropping all the way down to the surface or to the top. But overall it looks really great. Look at that. It looks so neat from the side. I just love this effect. So here's the first one. The second one is the opaque. So this one has the white mixed in, but we added more white. So here is the back. As you can see, it's more pastel in color. Here it is. Here's the side. And oh my goodness, look at that. That's super cool. And here's the top. Oh wow. So we did get a lot dropping all the way down to the bottom, but we also got a really cool effect. Just look at this. And over here is really neat. And here's our last one with the concentrated ink. Here is the back. I really like these colors. Compared to the Trex, it's actually a lot brighter. Here's the side. And here's the top. Oh my goodness. I think this was the one where we actually dropped in a bottle. So I thought that would be a bigger issue, but as you can see, it was actually okay. I think this is where the bottle dropped. We got this kind of a bigger smear here. I really love this 3D effect. Alright everyone, so here are the 3 Petris that we made today. What do you think? So these two are the Let's Resin brand of alcohol ink, and this one is from the Trex ink. Just comparing the two, I do like the Let's Resin one better. I think the colors are a little bit brighter, a lot more vivid. This one is a little bit more muted. I don't know if it's because of the different colors that I mixed that made it a little bit darker, but it seems like this one is just a little bit brighter. And I also like this one too. I think the pastel colors are really pretty. However, if you want to get this Petri effect, you do have to use another type of white. The Pinata white works best for me. And as you can see, the inks do drop very beautifully. So just to compare, here is the other one, the ink by itself. The colors are a little bit more bright. Adding the white does make it more of a pastel color. However, it does drop further. So just as a comparison, you can see that we get a lot more of this effect with the white. The same thing goes for the regular highly concentrated ink. The colors are very bright, very vivid. However, if you want to get this very cool effect, you do need to use Pinata white or another type of white to get that effect. Alright everyone, so let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my Petris and which ones do you like today. Do you like the Trex ink, the regular highly concentrated, or the opaque ink? And if you like this video and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!